Bowlers. This is an excellent over. Yes.
Oh dear, oh dear. Kevin Peterson. Kevin Peterson.
Be a chance. No, it isn't. Exactly. Now we know what his plans are. If he plays 15 balls, then there is trouble for the opposition. Dhoni.
Dhoni this time. My goodness. Wow, I don't know what I've seen. A better one than that. That is just incredible. That's nonchalant. I mean, honestly, Mr. Dhoni, have a look at it. It was pretty good.
Yeah, Nasib found the gap. He does it amazingly well. Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Sixes as well, and this one almost a replay of the four that he hit the previous over, except that he hit this one slightly better.
All the wrist from that. My word, that wasn't that bad a ball, but just look at the power.
Well, I'm not really sure about that also.
Do not know how to